Wave your arm around a little bit. Hey everybody, I know, it's April. This is the March rocket launch, which is happening in the middle of April. All kinds of stuff happened, including really foul weather. And we have a light crew today. So behind me is Ellie and Grayson. They'll be the field crew today. And we are, of course, at the Windsor Fairground parking lot, where we will have 13 rockets. Not a lot of improvements, except for all the rockets have integrated fin structure. We're not attaching the fins to the rocket. We are printing the fin can as one unit. So we're going to try that out, and I've made some improvements to the recovery system, and as you know, we've been having a lot of trouble with that. I don't think I've solved it, to be fair. I have an idea for next time, but we'll talk about that next time. It's kind of windy, so we expect we'll be losing lots of them. So hey, welcome to another rocket launch. Obviously you're already watching this on YouTube, so like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. This is the first rocket. This is called Fallstaff. All the rockets are named after Shakespeare characters today. This is going to be a B-64. We expect it to go about 400 feet. And it has, as you can see, the integrated fin structure. We'll see how that holds up. Hit it.
3, 2, 1.
Straight up. We have deployment and a tumble down.
I don't see the streamer.
Oh, beautiful.
I think it didn't unroll.
So, oops, I'm in the shadow.
Yep.
All right, so here it is with broken fins. However, it otherwise worked. It had no recovery because it was just a windsock. All right. All right, now of course is our lovely windsock, which has got a C-18. It'll probably go about 750 feet. You can see the recovery system. Maybe you can see it through the wall, which is hopeful. And again, we're using the integrated fin can design. All right, let's see how she goes. Here we go with windsock.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, really fast. Come on, deploy. Hey! Perfect deployment. The wind is really taking it.
I think that's staying in the field though.
You think so?
Yeah, I do.
Yay! We'll get
Landed
it back.
upright and everything.
You want to catch him on the end?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. All right, this one is Oberon. Oberon, of course, integrated fin design. There we go. Also, remember, it's got the Z- assembly structure, which swaps the male-female connection so that it has better structural integrity. Let's pop her on and see what happens. It's got a C-18. We expect it to go about 900 feet. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Right over the head of me, straight up. And we have a good deployment. I think that only went about 700 feet. Yeah. But we're gonna definitely get that one back. Look at that.
Wow.
Boom!
Real close.
I think we should go get that one. All right, here's Oberon and recovered. And you can see we're having some big breakage situations over here with the fins. So that's happened again. That may be one of the deficits about doing integrated fin designs. All right.
It's working really well.
Hey, this is Titania. Titania survived last launch, and we're launching Titania again with a C-18. We expect Titania to go about 800 feet. And so far, we've launched 3 rockets, and we've got 3 rockets back, and the recovery has worked. So let's hope that I haven't jinxed it for Titania. All right, it's Titania.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. Really fighting the wind. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It doesn't look like a full deployment.
That is... No, it deployed, but it didn't separate, so it's tumbling down fin first.
At least it's fin first.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Well, it separated when it hit the ground.
Well, thump.
We'll pick that one up later. All right, here is Ajax. Ajax is our first D20 today. And as you know, we've had trouble with those D20 motors, and so I'm using a fuse, which have been more reliable than the electronic igniter. Hopefully the recovery all works great. As you can see, integrated fin design. And here we go. I'm also just gonna take a moment to mention that it's quite windy. I'd say it's about 10 to 15 miles an hour at ground level. It's about 20 miles an hour at about 100 meters. You can see how the rocket is trying to tilt into the wind. That's called wind cocking. That means the rocket isn't going to go as high because it's using some of its momentum to fight the wind. So if I think it's going to go 900, it might only go 700. But we should be able to get a good guess at the height. All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1. That is.
Nice. Really straight. I think that's about 900.
One.
And we have full deployment with a streamer. Hopefully that means it'll land within the field.
That looks good.
And not go... Oh yeah.
That's very good.
Hey, we're getting it
First
back.
base.
It is first base. And that is 5 of 5 recovered today. Hey, here we go with Miranda. Miranda is a D20. And actually the front 2 pieces of Miranda survived last launch, and only the rear portion is brand new. Integrated fin design. And as you can see, we've used a fuse because of those unreliable D20s. All right, let's check it out. All right, here goes Miranda.
3, 2, 1. Mission.
Whoa! That one took a sharp corner.
We're getting a lot of that.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah.
Deployment.
Good deployment with a streamer. Kind of went the wrong direction.
Yeah. Ajax did too.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I think that's within the zone.
Yeah, we can get that.
We're gonna get it.
Just past the dugout.
6 for 6?
Yeah, maybe.
What? Hey, this is Brutus. It's our last of our D20s. Let's hope I don't fumble and roll a 1. Anyway, this is a new nose cone design called a scepter nose rocket. There you can see the shape of that nose cone. And of course it's using an integrated fin design. And it's a D20, so we're using a wick. So let's pop on and see if this goes where we think it's gonna go. As you can see, the last couple of rockets did a a pretty severe turn at the end of the launch pad. We think that's because the wind is moving the rocket around in the slot and it's getting caught, but let's just see what happens here. All right, it's Brutus.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Uh-oh. I don't like the look of that one.
How would you want?
Come on. Oh! But you see how it didn't go very high because it had to fight the wind. Well, we'll get it back even though pieces just went flying off it. Okay, so this is Hamlet. Hamlet has a D22, which is a 24mm D. And remember how I keep saying I've used the last of the D10s because they have too long a delay and the rocket goes ballistic and crashes into the ground and explodes? Well, I had one more. So this Hamlet has a D10, a D22-10, so it's probably going to go ballistic. It's probably going to land on the ground. So everybody just has to be careful that nobody's near it when it comes down. All right, so Hamlet, D22, should hopefully go 1,200 feet, so it does have time to deploy, yes?
Classic Hamlet, putting things off until it's too late.
I know. He couldn't decide what to do. Okay, Hamlet.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh. Watch out.
Good. It's swirling away.
It's swirling. It didn't get ballistic. Hey!
Oh.
It's separated, though.
It came down faster after it deployed.
Wow! That worked in a way that I didn't expect.
Didn't know we were doing fireworks.
What the heck? So as you can see, we're getting bigger and bigger. This is I should say the Scottish rocket. And it is a D22-4. As you can see, these last two have really been struggling with the wind cocking, and we expect the same. Let's see what happens. Okay, the Scottish rocket.
3, 2, 1.
Really nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Beautiful deployment. Streamer coming down fast. I hope this one lands in the field.
Oh, that's very good.
Oh yeah, nice. We'll get it back.
Part of it's still standing up.
Yeah, we got almost all of it. I think we've got them all back so far.
Indeed.
All right, we'll
100%.
pick that one up at the end. All right, here's the next one. This is the last of the D22s. This one's Iago. Iago is another scepter-nosed rocket, and it has the integrated fin design. Let's see how this one struggles with the wind cocking. All right, Iago.
3, 2, 1. There we go.
Perfectly straight. What happened? That was...
Wait.
Did it
the
separate?
Fins came off.
What?
It separated at the fin.
Weird.
Yeah.
Well, weird separation, but partial recovery?
Yeah. That's in the field.
Let's see if that's in the field, yeah.
You just get the scepter back.
And we'll get it back!
Huh.
That is
Fins are also in the field too.
100%.
Yeah.
All right, this is Othello. It's our first E26 of the day. We only have 2 more after this one. So far, we've gotten 100% of the rockets deployed, and we've got them back. what? We'll see if this happens again. All right, it's time for Othello.
3, 2, 1.
Really high, probably 1,000.
Oh, there it is.
It did deploy.
It's coming back our way.
It's a streamer. It's coming down pretty slow, but no, it's actually coming down pretty fast. It was just really high.
Yeah, I guess so.
I think we got to 1,200 on that one.
Yeah. That may very well be inside the field as well.
I think we're gonna get it, man.
No way. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my God! 100%.
It's a good thing we're filming this. No one would believe it.
Nobody would believe it. No one would believe it. All right, this is Juliet. Juliet is also an E26. We expect this one to go about 1,000 feet, maybe 1,200. It is also, integrated fins. As you can see, I had my ink ran a little bit. So let's see how it goes, and it has this interesting little bend in the middle. Let's see if that
Hourglass figure
does anything for us. All right, this is Juliet.
3, 2, 1.
Went a little squirrely. Oh, it's separated. It's really far away.
Chances aren't looking good.
Chances, we might still get it back, but I think it's going into the pit.
It is. I think it's on the part of the pit we can't access, though. I mean, the pit is impassable, of course. But no freaking way.
Oh my God, I think we can get it.
I think I just heard someone yell from over there, actually.
Oh, hopefully we didn't hit him.
Yeah.
I should cut that part out. Hey everybody, this is Umbriel. Umbriel has an E35. It's our biggest rocket of the day. It's not the biggest rocket we've ever done, but it's the first time we're using an integrated fin design with an E35. It has a bunch of other improvements to recovery, as well as the Z- construction style. So this is the ultimate rocket of the day, and we expect it to go quite high because it's quite light. So it could be 1,400 feet, which reduces the amount of chance of us seeing it ever again. Now there is a lot of wind, so the cocking might hold it down to 1,200 feet. Let's see. Okay, it's Umbriel.
3, 2, 1.
Beautiful.
That's really moving.
I think we got 1,200.
Perfect deployment.
Yeah, we've got deployment. It's a parachute. It's really moving.
I think that might spin down to the field, though.
Will we get it? But it seems like it came back toward us a little bit. Oh, here comes a gust. Oh, wow. It's getting very far.
Oh, it caught on the fence behind the batting fence.
We might get it back. All right. That's it. Hey, everybody. So that's a wrap. We've done our rockets for the day. And it looks like there's a chance that we got 100% of them back. 100% deployed, that's new. A couple separated. So we're gonna go ride around the field and pick them all up like we do. And check this out on YouTube, of course. And I have all kinds of ideas for improvements. So in May, we'll be back with another launch. All right, for Ellie and Grayson, I've been Doug Birgfeld. Thank you for watching. Good night.